Black Forest Labs has just launched Flux 2, a groundbreaking advancement in AI image generation technology that sets a new standard for creativity, quality, and accessibility. Designed for artists, designers, and content creators, Flux 2 is an open-weight AI model offering unprecedented flexibility and control. This latest iteration significantly improves image quality, enhances consistency across generated outputs, and offers deeper creative control with customizable styles and presets. Accessibility remains a strong focus, with free daily generation options alongside premium plans to serve everyone from casual users to enterprise clients. Users can access Flux 2 through multiple avenues: comprehensive APIs for developers, open-weight model access for AI researchers and enthusiasts, enterprise solutions for large-scale commercial use, and a highly intuitive playground for individual creators. Today, we dive into the Flux 2 Playground, an exceptional free tool that lets you generate up to 50 images every day without any logos or watermarks, perfect for getting started or exploring your creative ideas. Head over to the playground of Black Forest Labs and sign up quickly with your email. Once registered, you're welcomed by a visually rich homepage filled with inspiring user-generated creations demonstrating the astounding power of Flux 2. This gallery serves as a creative springboard for your own projects. On the left sidebar, a clear indicator shows your remaining free images quota. Should you wish to create more images beyond this daily allotment, Flux 2 provides affordable credit options starting at roughly 8 cents per image depending on your model selection. Typically, purchasing a bundle of about 1,000 credits for $10 offers great value for those working extensively on creative content. Within the left-hand menu, Flux 2 offers several essential tools. The Generate option is your starting point for producing fresh images from detailed text prompts. The Fill tool is powerful for editing, allowing precise addition or removal of image components. The Expand feature dynamically resizes images to virtually any dimensions, ideal for adapting artwork to various platforms and media formats. The Library is a comprehensive hub for managing your creation history, saved sessions, user presets, and customized instructions. This is where you tailor your image style through presets, adjusting tone, color schemes, or artistic flair, enhancing both productivity and consistency in your creative output. The tagging system helps organize your workflow, supporting complex creative projects. Let's explore Flux 2's capabilities with several imaginative and challenging prompts. I began with an image concept blending intricate doodle art hidden inside a crispy chicken nugget. Utilizing adjustable controls, including width, height, branch size, and seed parameters, which can be randomized or fixed for reproducibility, I generated 2 images. Model options like Flux Context, Ultra, Pro, Dev, and Flux 2 Flex gave flexibility in style and output. The result was visually coherent and creatively interesting, though not radically extraordinary, but it showed solid interpretation of the prompt. Next, I requested a high-fashion photoshoot image pairing a futuristic couture-clad supermodel with a vibrant, classic cartoon character. Flux 2 produced 2 outputs. The second impressed with fine detail and harmonious integration, but the first showed 2 distinct models and a separate cartoon character, exposing minor consistency issues across scenes. Physics and proportions were commendable overall, but slightly lacked polish. Moving on, I tested Flux 2 with an infographic prompt producing 2 alternative images, one portrait and another landscape. The creative concept translated well, yet scattered text glitches appeared, reflecting minor imperfections in text rendering. Nonetheless, the overall creativity and layout quality shone through impressively. Intrigued, I attempted a surreal animal photoshoot styling a lion and cat in elegant fashion. The generated results were mixed. One image oddly included human limbs on animals, while another correctly positioned the lion, though the cat retained human features. These anatomical inconsistencies reveal challenges Flux 2 faces with unconventional subject matter requiring realistic precision. In a further conceptual blend, I combined a Michael Jackson-inspired character styled after GTA 6 aesthetics. Flux 2 produced a recognizable lookalike. To assess technical finesse, I prompted a glass mug half filled with water containing miniature wooden boats. Here, Flux 2 excelled, delivering outstanding water dynamics, lighting, reflections, and realistic composition, highlighting its maturity in physics simulation. Testing 3D integration. A photorealistic cartoon figure emerged perfectly from a graffiti mural on a brick wall, merging seamlessly with real-world textures, shadows, and lighting a vivid, eye-catching 3D effect. Impressive in craftsmanship, making the image feel alive and immersive. Another highlight was an underwater ballet scene featuring dancers synchronized with marine life movements. Flux 2 executed this flawlessly, capturing motion fluidity and ambiance without visible flaws. Using the edit function, I enhanced the scene by adding sea creatures, turtles, and requested colorful fish, which it rendered competently. Additionally, I inserted minions as playful companions, successfully integrating them in the ballet setting, showcasing Flux 2's versatility and creative flexibility. Experimenting with multi-scene compositions, I blended a solo traveler in the Amazon rainforest with the same person at an Antarctic research station beneath a starry night. The image, beautiful and imaginative, displayed only minor flaws. A similar attempt showed a young couple simultaneously dancing outdoors at sunset and cycling through rural Netherlands dawn. However, Flux 2 struggled with facial matching consistency, highlighting limits in complex multi-character scene cohesion. Simpler single-scene prompts fared well. An astronaut relaxing around an Arizona desert campfire conveyed strong ambiance, while a monsoon street photographer in Mumbai generated detailed environmental contexts despite small composition flaws. However, technical prompts like anatomical lung illustrations revealed issues. While the creative concept realized well, text elements suffered from unreadability and repetition, problematic for educational use even with clear instructions. Lastly, I explored regional language typography by creating a Hindi language shop scene with promotional posters. Flux 2 produced visually compelling signage, but text clarity was poor. Direct comparison with Nano Banana Pro revealed Nano Banana Pro's superiority in rendering legible, consistent text and characters. Flux 2 has improved, but still exhibits limitations in textual accuracy, character consistency, and detailed management, especially with non-Latin scripts. Overall, Flux 2 demonstrates remarkable creative potential and significant progress with image quality, physics modeling, and multi-style generation. Nevertheless, Nano Banana Pro currently holds a slight edge in text rendering, character facial consistency, and complex multi-scene accuracy based on this evaluation. Both tools offer unique strengths and deserve exploration depending on the use case. I plan to continue testing Flux 2 with more intricate and challenging prompts in upcoming videos. Meanwhile, if you found this comprehensive comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more AI-related tutorials and reviews. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook for real-time updates on new AI creative technologies. I look forward to reading your comments and discussions on these amazing AI image generation platforms. Thank you for watching.